Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a product that can seriously change the game for electric car owners, the ChargePoint Home Flex Level 2 EV charger. If you're new to the EV world, Level 2 charging is basically the fast lane for topping off your battery. We're talking up to 7 times faster charging compared to a regular wall outlet, which can save you a ton of time plugged in. The ChargePoint Home Flex comes in several different configurations. You can choose between a plug-in version that uses a standard NEMA 14 to 50 or 6 to 50 outlet, or the hardwired option. There's also a choice of connectors, depending on your car, J1772 for most EVs or a Tesla adapter if you're rocking a Model S or something similar. But speed is just one piece of the puzzle. This charger is also about convenience. It connects to the ChargePoint mobile app, letting you control everything from your phone. Imagine starting a charge session while making dinner or scheduling charging for off-peak hours to save money on your electricity bill. Plus, you can monitor your energy usage and see exactly how much juice you put into your car. Regarding durability, the Home Flex seems to hold its own. It's built to last with weatherproof construction and a flexible cable even in cold weather. Safety is also a top priority, meeting strict OL safety standards. Now, let's talk about something EV owners on the go will appreciate: the ChargePoint network. With hundreds of charging stations across the country and access to stations from roaming partners, you'll have options for topping off your battery wherever you are. So what do actual users say about the ChargePoint Home Flex? Many reviewers rave about the ease of installation, especially for the plug-in version. Other common praises include the app's user-friendliness and the significant boost in charging speed. However, a few folks mention some challenges setting up the Wi-Fi connection, so be prepared for a little troubleshooting if needed. Overall, the ChargePoint Home Flex Level 2 EV charger seems a solid option for EV owners who want a fast, convenient, and reliable home charging solution. The smart features, durable build, and access to the expansive ChargePoint network make it a compelling package. The price can vary depending on the configuration you choose, but it seems like a worthwhile investment for the features and peace of mind. Of course, this is just a first look. If you've had any experience with the ChargePoint Home Flex, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. And if you're considering switching to an EV, this charger is worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric car content.